Good morning, H3 Crewzers. I just got out of the shower. It feels nice out. The weather has calmed down since last night, obviously. No more horrible waves splashing me in the face. That was actually quite fun. But got a lot planned today, sort of. Not really. No, that's a lie. It's a relaxing day. On the ship, I may get off the ship. I don't know. I gotta talk to my buddy, see what he wants to do. There's free drinks for me, Brad, and Savannah. Savannah can have sodas. But free drinks from 4:30 to 5:15. And the kids club is closed at 5 to 6. So, needless to say, Savannah's gonna have to go to that and get her free drinks. It is late. I actually just woke up. Is it 1:44? Hold on. Let me check my phone here. It's 2:44. It's almost 3 o'clock. Because we're an hour ahead up here. Pretty sure that's right. So it's 2:44. And I figured out where the fog comes up from. That we see down here, like a whole bunch of fog around 3 o'clock in the morning. Just spraying above these lifeboats. Point it this way. Above these lifeboats is an automatic window washer that goes along the outside of the ship and washes the windows by itself. So no person has to do it. It's pretty crazy, but it does its job. And 3 o'clock in the morning, it's washing the windows on the outside of the ship when everyone's sleeping. And all that spray comes through and down here. So now we know what that is. But guys, I'm going to get on with my day and see what's going on. And probably some water slides and all that. But we shall continue with our day.
Okay guys, so I've never had to do this in the intro, but I want to warn you real quick, I am completely plastered in today's episode, so remember that while watching. I apologize, it's all the footage I got, so hope you enjoy right here on today's episode.
What's up, H3 Crewzers? Look at this.
Hey, it's Kevin out of Vero Beach, Florida. Cheers!
We are at the back-to-back party,
Having fun.
and I am too many drinks in to count, probably 5. I think 5. I need more drinks. Thank you, I do too, Sam. But we are partying on deck 5. All these people, these amazing people. These are all back-to-back people. Now there is...
Taking those off yet?
He asked if I've taken the shoes off yet. No, not at all. Never? Never take them off. I got photos of the water slide with my feet, bare feet, and all that, and bare feet. I got moves when I'm drinking. I need to find more drinks. But how you enjoying it? Loving it. I'm loving the back-to-back. This guy has spotted me multiple times with my feet. But yeah, I'll show you more. Okay guys, so I'm waiting on the next drink. I'm gonna bring him around the corner soon, I promise, but. You a selfie? Hi! Scott over here. Where you at? Meeting everyone. Everyone all around the back of the ship. We are leaving Mazatlan. I've lost track of drink count. Savannah wants to check out the view as we leave. Check that out, guys. Goodbye, Mazatlan. And that beautiful sunset. Take a photo there. And there. And there. Take as many photos as I can. Hello. He's like, hold on. He's, oh. Hold on, I need one more hand. We're gonna figure this out. Thank you. Drink. They're actually subscribers as well, by the way. And there's a pilot that's guiding us out. See, he's guiding us out to make sure we get out safely. He is our escort, exactly. This was a grave mistake. Hold on, let me flip this around. Savannah thinks the kids club has to open up after the party because the parents have been drinking. That is not the case. They gotta wait. I flipped the camera into wide angle, sorry. I'm gonna show her the kids club is closed. Mama T messaged me just now, said, oh, those are awesome. I promise they're closed. I promise. I'm walking into kids club with alcoholic drinks. That cannot be good. I'm serious. Alcoholic drinks that I've been holding for free party, and I'm walking into Camp Ocean with alcoholic drinks. It's good. That is bad. I hope you guys are enjoying Mazatlan. I know we're early, but I know we're early. I'm trying to prove to Savannah that you're closed till for.
Savannah, Dad wants to prove to you that it's closed. I'm not sure.
Yeah, see, she says we're closed. So if you follow the Facebook and the Instagram, this is Sarah. She is awesome.
Hi.
She sent us that note last night. Thank you very much.
No worries.
But we got Savannah here. She's excited. She's ready for Sarah to take over, especially because they had a back-to-back party, which Daddy needs to recover from, to say the least. Daddy really needs to recover. Maybe if you're lucky, she can have you till 1. Sarah has actually been begging me all week to keep Savannah here till 1 o'clock.
Right.
And tonight might be the best night. So, Sarah, you may get her till 1 o'clock tonight.
Yeah.
Do I need to come back before 10? Okay, so just keep her up. Okay. Maybe. We will see. See, and by the way, that's Savannah's name.
1, 4, and 3.
Okay, we're dropping Savannah off. Sarah is good and got her under control, so you might see me at 1 o'clock.
Perfect.
I'm going under in drinks. I know I'm slurring. So off to the bathroom I go, and then for the rest of the night. So let's go with this. I got room service.
Hello, how are you?
I'm still having fun. I'm way too drunk. And there's still more drink right there.
Okay guys, so I was a little too plastered and I didn't get any more recording, but this here is my buddy Christian on the drums here at Rock Revolution. Amazing show. I'm gonna end it off with this clip and the next clip here, and that's it. That's all the footage I got. I'm sorry guys, but if you are on Carnival Panorama, make sure you check out Rock Revolution, and especially if you get to see my buddy Chris here, make sure you say hi to Christian because he's absolutely amazing. Okay guys, I gotta jump back on real quick before this clip ends. Those lights flying around are actually drones. How amazing is that? Anyways, I'm out again guys. Hope you